the wickets. Was hit nicely, but straight to the fielder. He's doing a good job at deep finding, then taking a wicket himself. Good catch at mid-off. And then a ripper from Afridi.
Return now, top in the air, swirling, fielder coming around underneath that one, and captain trying to get a move on.
That is a mighty good shout, yes, right to the slot. With Mohammad Rizwan. It's in the air, should be taken, and it is. Would you believe it?